Ever wondered why your roof doesn't shine like it used to? It's not just about aesthetics. A clean roof is a healthy roof. Regular roof cleaning plays a crucial role in prolonging the lifespan of your roof, preventing damage and maintaining property value. Dirty roofs can lead to issues like moss and algae growth, which can cause damage over time. So remember, a clean roof is more than just a pretty sight. It's an investment in the health and longevity of your home. So, you understand the importance of a clean roof. But how do you achieve that? Enter Chemical Cleaning Solutions. These are specially formulated concoctions designed to tackle the toughest of stains and the most stubborn moss and algae. They work by breaking down the contaminants on a molecular level, making it easier to wash them away. Now this might sound a bit intimidating, but don't worry, when used properly, these solutions are safe and won't harm your roof's material. It's all about knowing the right concentration and application method. And of course, safety precautions are paramount during the process. Protective gear such as gloves and goggles are a must. The power of these solutions lies in their ability to restore your roof to its former glory, without causing any damage. So you see, with the right chemical cleaning solution, your roof can look as good as new, without causing any damage. Now let's dive into the process. How does one safely and effectively apply these chemical solutions to the roof? Well, it's not as complicated as it may sound. First, protective gear is a must. This includes gloves, safety goggles, and non-slip footwear. Once prepped, a sprayer is used to evenly distribute the chemical solution across the roof surface. It's important to start from the bottom and work your way up to prevent streaking. The solution is then left to dwell, usually for a period of 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the severity of the contamination. During this time, the magic happens. The chemical solution begins to break down the moss, algae, and any other stubborn stains. After dwelling, a low-pressure rinse is applied to wash away the solution along with the grime. And voila! The transformation is quite something. And there you have it, a clean, healthy roof, thanks to the power of chemical cleaning solutions. But why do it yourself, when you can have professionals take care of it for you? Introducing Jabez Power Washing, your go-to experts for all your roof cleaning needs. With their vast expertise, commitment to customer satisfaction, and efficient chemical cleaning process, they ensure your roof is not just clean, but also protected. Their process is not just about removing stains, it's about preserving the longevity of your roof. Don't wait for the damage to set in. Contact Jabez Power Washing today and give your roof the care it deserves. Ready to give your roof the care it deserves? Simply reach out to Jabez Power Washing. Their team of dedicated professionals is just a phone call away. Dial the number displayed on your screen now. Remember, a clean roof is not just about aesthetics, it's about preserving the longevity of your home. Don't wait for the damage to set in. Call Jabez Power Washing today, because your home deserves nothing but the best.